Ah, the tomato. The fruit that's a vegetable, because it's a fruit. Makes sense, right? Well, to be more specific, it all depends on how you look at it. From a botanical perspective, the tomato is definitely a fruit. A vegetable is a root, stem, or leaf of a plant, like chard, while fruits are, quote, the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food, end quote, according to the Oxford English Dictionary. While these definitions definitely put tomatoes in the fruit category, they aren't always seen that way by the public. Especially in a time before higher education was common, many people characterized fruits and vegetables in their minds by the way they were used in cooking. Because of this, many people referred to the tomatoes as a vegetable. This thinking is very important, as it actually led to a Supreme Court decision. In 1883, a tariff was passed that charged taxes on the import of vegetables, while not passing the same tax onto fruits. The Nix family, who were importing tomatoes through New York, were surprised to see the tariff being applied to their purchase. They filed a lawsuit against Edward Hedden, the Port of New York collector, to reclaim the money they spent on the tariffs. The lawsuit eventually made its way to the Supreme Court, leading to a fascinating case where both sides presented no evidence besides several dictionary definitions of various produce. Sadly for the Nix family, the court ruled unanimously that, based on popular perception, the tomato should be classified as a vegetable under customs regulations. This was based on a different precedent, which stated that when words had no special meaning in trade or commerce, their common meaning must be used. Therefore, the dictionary had no place other than as an aid for understanding in the court, and could not be used as evidence. This case set its own precedent, with several future cases relying on this definition. In fact, this case was even used to make the tomato the official state vegetable in New Jersey. This case is fascinating because it shows that being technically correct doesn't always mean that popular opinion is overruled under the law, and that the next time someone tells you a tomato is a fruit, you can tell them the Supreme Court doesn't care. Thanks for watching RIC Adventures, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.